How to stop Google Assistant from activating automatically. Is Google Assistant popping up when you don't need it? Here's how to turn it off or stop it from activating automatically step by step. Step 1. Open your phone's Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications depending on your device. Step 3. Tap Default Apps, then select Digital Assistant app. Step 4. Tap on Device Assistant app and choose None. This will disable Assistant from launching when you long press the home button or use gesture. To stop it from activating by voice, open the Google app, tap your profile picture, go to Settings, then Google Assistant. Now, tap Hey Google and Voice Match, and toggle off Hey Google. That's it! Google Assistant will no longer pop up automatically, and you'll have more control over when it activates.